Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 208 in the Allure specification. So this comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, you get automatic headlights and wipers, reverse parking sensors. Inside you've got the 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You also get air conditioning and cruise control. So let's have a look around. So if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.